In this video, I'll show you how to create a Robinhood account step by step in 2026. First, open the Play Store and search for the Robinhood app, then install and open it. Once the app loads, tap on Sign Up to begin. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and continue. Next, you'll need to verify your email by entering the code sent to your inbox. After that, enter your full name, date of birth, and residential address exactly as it appears on your legal documents. Now, provide your phone number and verify it with the code you receive. Robinhood will then ask for your social security number for identity verification, so enter it carefully. On the next screen, answer a few questions about your investing experience and financial goals. Then, link your bank account by selecting your bank and logging in securely, or choose manual setup if needed. Review all your details, agree to the terms, and submit your application. It may take a short time to get approved, and once done, you can start exploring the app and funding your account. That's it, your Robinhood account is ready. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.